If you're like the vast majority of businesses, you likely rely on emails, documents, and spreadsheets to keep your operations running smoothly. Microsoft tools such as Word, Excel, and Outlook are essential to daily workflows. But have you ever wondered how you can make these tools even more effective for your business? That's exactly what Microsoft 365 is designed to do. Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based subscription service that bundles email, Office applications, and various productivity tools into a single package. It's specifically designed to enhance collaboration and efficiency, no matter where your team is located. With Microsoft 365, you get access to all the familiar Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Additionally, it includes professional business email with shared calendars, Microsoft Teams for video conferencing and communication, SharePoint and OneDrive for cloud-based storage and file sharing, and advanced security features to keep your data protected. You might be thinking, I already use Word and email, why should I switch to Microsoft 365? Here are some key advantages that make it worth considering. Get a professional business email address. Many businesses still rely on generic Gmail or Yahoo email addresses. However, having a professional email that uses your company's domain name makes your business look more credible and polished. Work from anywhere. Because Microsoft 365 is cloud-based, you can access your emails, applications, and files from any device, anywhere in the world. This is a game changer for businesses with remote employees or teams that need flexibility. Enjoy real-time collaboration. Forget the endless email chains and multiple document versions. Microsoft 365 allows multiple team members to work on the same document simultaneously. Plus, Teams makes it easy to chat, call, and hold video meetings on the fly. Access Office applications. Microsoft is transitioning all its products to a subscription-based model. If you rely on tools like Word and Excel, upgrading to Microsoft 365 ensures you'll continue to receive updates and support. Get advanced security features. Microsoft 365 includes built-in security measures and optional add-ons like Office Protect, which safeguard your data against spam, viruses, hackers, and other cyber threats. Microsoft 365 is a powerful tool that can enhance productivity and teamwork within your organization. At Solve, we specialize in setting up cost-effective Microsoft 365 plans tailored to your business needs. Get in touch with us today for a free quote and find out how we can help streamline your operations.